Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find someone's phone number on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the conversation with the person whose phone number you're looking for. This opens up your chat history with them and gives you access to all the conversation details and settings related to that specific contact. Once you're in the conversation, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll see three dots. Go ahead and tap on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing and viewing information about this chat. From the menu that appears, tap on Chat Info. This option is specifically designed to show you detailed information about your conversation and the person you're chatting with, including contact details and chat settings. After tapping Chat Info, a panel will appear on your right side of the screen displaying all the relevant information about this conversation. This panel contains everything from media files shared in the chat to notification settings and, importantly, contact information. Here in the Chat Info panel, you'll be able to see phone number listed clearly. This is the actual phone number associated with this Viber contact, making it easy to identify and save their contact information if you need it for calls or other purposes outside of Viber. And that's it. You've now successfully found the phone number for your Viber contact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.